Tai Fung was originally in Taiwan and founded in 1972 by Mr. Bing Yang. Din Tai Fung quickly gained international recognition and with its dedication to service and food, and opens its first branch in the United States in 2000. We currently have 13 locations in US, in California, Washington, Oregon, and Nevada, and over 170 locations worldwide. The craft, texture, and taste of the xiaolongbao is what makes it special. Soup dumplings are very delicate and unique in flavor. Even though it is easier to make them by machines, we continue to make ours by hand and from scratch every day. We weigh each dumplings to the grams, including dumpling skins. Our dumpling skins are unique because they are thinner on the outside and thicker in the center. Over the years, we have found the golden ratio of dumpling folds is 18, as it brings out the perfect amount of textures. Dumpling's unique flavor comes from the broa, which is house-made with premium chicken and pork. Also, we steam the dumpling in a bamboo basket where we allow the bamboo flavor to seep into the dumpling skins, and it takes 3 to 6 months for a dumpling chef to master or to learn the basic production of the xiaolongbao or soup dumplings, and it takes years for them to master the skills. Din Tai Fung has become an international beloved brand and brings the taste of Taiwan to 13 countries. Many people associate Din Tai Fung with Taiwanese food. Our goal is to provide exceptional service, taste, and quality. And the guests from all around the world have learned and recognized and appreciate Taiwanese culture and cuisines. It is exciting to see so many people desiring to taste our food and experience our hospitality. I think for many Taiwanese people abroad, Taiwanese food is comforting and nostalgic. I feel immersed pride when I see so many people appreciating our food because it's an opportunity to share our culture and history. At Din Tai Fung, you can expect to experience same quality of taste and service at every location. And I think that speaks to the strength of our food, culture, and identity.